Python Programming Language, Strings, Comprehensive Guide to Python Strings Creation, Methods, Formatting, and more. Strings in Python, created using single or double quotes, and immutable, meaning their content cannot be changed after creation. Concatenation is done using the operator. Python provides various methods to manipulate strings. Use split to break a string into parts, join to combine them, and replace to modify specific parts of a string. String formatting is essential for creating dynamic content. F-strings allow embedding expressions directly in strings, while format provides a more traditional approach to insert variables. Access specific characters in a string using indexing, and extract parts of a string with slicing. Negative indices, useful for counting from the end of the string. Understanding string encoding is crucial for handling text data. Use encode to convert strings to bytes and decode to transform bytes back to strings, accommodating various character encodings. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.